If you're starting a business, or even if you have a small business already, you might be considering creating a logo. But I know sometimes a logo, especially when you're starting out, you might not have a big budget for you to hire somebody to create that logo for you, right? So for you not to limit yourself, for you not to stop yourself from going ahead, you can always create a really nice logo using Canva, and it can be free. Or if you pay the pro version of Canva, you can use all the other added features with Canva. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a logo using Canva. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Rudo, and here I share tips and tricks on how to build, market, and scale your online business. So if that's something that you are interested in, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification button so that you don't miss any other videos like this where I share tips and tricks on how to build your online business. So if you don't know anything about Canva, Canva is an easy to use graphic designing tool, especially for some of us who are not graphic designers, right? It helps you to do so much in terms of creating graphics for content marketing, for social media postings, for anything you can think of when it comes to creating graphics. You can do that, including creating a logo. So you can go to www.canva.com or put the link below so that you can play around, try it out, and see what kind of benefits you can gain from Canva, what you can use it in your business for. So let's get into it. I'll show you how to create a nice logo for your business. So when you come to canva.com, this is where you land. I've done videos before where I show you how to create different graphics with Canva. So if that's something that you're interested in, I will link them up on this video and put the links in the description so that you can check them out and be able to know more about how to use Canva for designing your graphics. So when you're looking to do a logo, you can either search on the top here and type in logo, and Canva will show you all these options of logos that you can create. You can customize it to your own business and branding, right? So all this, there's so many of them, so many options that you can choose from, right? So we're going to be picking one of these and working on that. So the other way that you can do is to go through here where it says create, and then you can type in logo. And then when you click on it, it takes you right into the editing section of Canva. And on your left here, this is where you can get to see all the different kind of logos which are available, right? With even the categories, right? So you have hospitals, you have doctors, you have church, for events, animated logos, gaming logos, all these options, fashion, that you can choose from. And depending with your business, right? So you can have all these options that you can choose from and then easily create a logo using Canva. So let's say I have a cake business, right? So I can choose this logo and then you can customize it to whatever you want, right? So here, let's say when I choose the year it was established, maybe this year, that's when we started it, right? So you can just customize it. And then here says cakes and sweet treats. So maybe you want to change the wording, right? So even this one says slice of cake. Maybe you can say slice of pies. Maybe you make pies. And there you go. You are changing it already, right? And then cakes and sweets. So maybe you can say cake and pies, since we're going with pies. So let's say you want to change even the color of the font, right? You can come up here. You can change the font here. If you click, you have all these options of fonts that you can change it to your brand fonts. And if you want to change the color, you can click over here. And then you have all the options of the colors that you have. You can even click on here, says documented color, and then choose which color you would like to use, right? So let's say we'll go for a pinkish kind of color, right? There we go. And then you have this image. So this image, you can even change the color as well if you're wanting to change the color as well. So if you wanted to make it like a pink, you can do that. Oh, it's a brown cake. Right? So you can even change that as well. So you can play around with it as well, or we can just keep it as black. Right? And if you're not feeling this image, you can always change it. So here, when you come to the left here, this is where you have other options. You have photos, elements, text, styles, audio, videos, all this other stuff, right? But if you go to elements, this is where you find a bunch of little elements that you can use, right? So if you're looking for anything, always start with elements and see if you can find something there. So let's type in cake and see what we can find. Okay, so they have all these other different options that you can use for your image. So let's say I'm not feeling this one. All I have to do, I can just delete it and then choose image here that you can use. I can even use this one, let's see. There you go, if you wanted. Or if you're doing cupcakes, you could use cupcakes instead. You can just delete this one. You use cupcakes instead. Right? Or if you wanted to keep it simple, there is also all these other options of cakes you can use, right? So let's delete this one and choose this one. I like this one. Yeah, this one will go now nicely with that. And you can resize it. So to resize it, you just press on here and then you can resize. You can either make it big or small, right? So this is where you can resize it. And then you can just hold it to just move it around to position it in any way you want to position it, right? So that looks more fun kind of in the image, right? So you can move around all this, you can move it around, right? So there we go. So this is an easy way of creating a logo. So let's try another logo. So to make another logo from here, you can quickly just go where it says templates here. If you click on it, it'll give you all the other options of logos that you can choose, right? So if you were to scroll all the way up, we're back to where we started, right? So now you can go down and search another logo. So let's say we're doing a logo for a doctor, right? So if we go to CO, it'll give us all the options about medical doctors logos that we can choose and play around with, right? So let's see, what can we choose from down here? So let's say you're a vet, we'll choose this one. So you can change this around to make it suit your own branding and your own design, right? To tweak it a little bit. You could say maybe where it says vet, you want this part in blue. So you can come here where it says A, that's the color of the text. Then you can change it. So I want that blue instead. So I'll change it around and that's the blue. And then here where it says animal care, now I want that part to be gray. So I'm just changing it around now. And then this element, maybe I want it to be in a different color. So maybe I want it to be in the gray, right? So you can do that. Or let's say you want this to be in red. Let's go for red, see. Oh, that's bright. So you can change the element now to red, right? And then if I want the background to be a different color, so let's say I want it to be in blue, right? I can quickly change that to blue, or maybe this kind of blue. Oh, this kind of blue. Or you can come to where it's these blues and play around and see which blue you like, right? There we go, we choose our blue. And let's say maybe you want a different kind of element. Let's see if we can find something else. So I've typed here medical pole, and we have different kinds now. Maybe we choose this one. Take that one off and put this one here. There we go. You have your little paw on the medical part, right? To say this is like a vet clinic, right? So there we go. That's a cute one. So there we go. We got our logo for our vet clinic. We changed it around from what it was originally, right? So now it's looking more like your own logo for your business. So it's very, very easy to create your logos using Canva. We quickly created all this in less than a few minutes, right? So why not? Let's go for the third one. Let's give you a variety. Let's go for the gaming ones. Let's go for this one. So with this one, we can change around the background color if we wanted. And we can make this more like a brown color, and then we can change the white part to like black maybe, and this part, this font to black, and then let's see if we can change the background to orange instead, and then the inside of the orange will make it white. So let's say we can remove the border, right? And we can change the fonts here to higher. Now it's looking already different, right, from the logo, which this one, right? So we've already changed it to look what you want it to look like. Or you can even move around the text and make it more on the bottom part, right? So, and if you wanted to add anything else, like another text, you can come here where it says text, a text on the bottom. So you can say, established. '21. Let's make the font a little bit bolder. And you can position it out. There we go. So you see that pink line there? It shows you where it's positioned, right? So it's right in the center there, so which is perfect. So there we go. We've already edited this to suit our own branding, right? I'm going for the orange. You have your company name there or your team name there, and you can write any other text, right, and edit it around. So already this is looking way different compared to the original one, right? So you can tweak it around and make it suit your own branding, your own liking as well. You don't have to stick to what's there already, right? You can make it to your own style. So even if you wanted to make this a little bit italic, so you can make it italic. Let's see. There we go. You can make any changes that you want. So there we go. This is how you can easily create logos with Canva. So try it around, play around with all these different logo templates that you have here, and play around and see which one suits your business, right? And you have your own logo, which really looks good for your own business. So let's try this one, right? So organic coffee. So let's say we want to change around the colors. So maybe this one will make it a brownish color. And then this one will make it black. Maybe we want to move the wording this way and then move this one over this side. Oh, let's move this on top and the coffee over here and then down here. Let's see if we change the color of this one. Let's make it black. Maybe want to change the background to a different little color. So make it a little bit lighter. Maybe want to add an element of, you could use this. Trying to get to the little pins. And then let's say we're gonna have this bag instead. So we take off the cup, have this bag instead. There we go. So we're selling coffee now. Not the drink, but the coffee bean. There you go. You got your logo right there. And if you want to, you can play around to see which one looks better for you, right? So you can make a copy of this. So press here, these plus buttons, it creates a copy for you. So you have that and you also have that, right? So you can change it to say, okay, let me need white background to see what it looks like that. There we go. So then you'll be like, okay, which logo do I want? Do I want that one or do I want that? Or have a variety of different colors of logos, right? Being the same one, but different variety of it. So that you'll be able to use it for different things, right? So with this one, you can download it as a PNG, a transparent background. Then you'll be able to use your logo in a lot of things, right? So how you download your logos after you're done, you come here where it says logo, download logo here. And then you have the PNG, right? So I have the Pro account already, so I'm not quite sure whether the transparent background is for the Pro or you can do it as free version, right? But you can try it out here. But here, this is where you can download all that and have it in one place, right? So you can use the transparent background, or you can just download it as it is without the transparent background. That way you'll be able to use the logo for your business. So I'm gonna download. So you can choose even just the one page, right, for downloading. So if you come here, you can say I want to download page 6 and I want it to be transparent and it's PNG, right? So there you go, download. So we have our logo downloaded already that we can then use. So that's it, guys. Play around with Canva, create your own logo. As you can see, this is a really nice logo. We used the template, this template, right, to change it around. So there we go. Now we have our own little logo. I hope you found this video useful and you like it. Share with others that might find this video useful as well. And if you have any comments, leave them below. And make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification button so that you don't miss any other videos like this where I share tips and tricks on how to build your business. So for now, stay strong, stay positive, and continue building the business that you love. And I'll see you next time. Take care, guys.